This is for Grandma Murphy.
Okay.
Okay. Yeah. This is your J foot. I haven't used the J foot before. We got out the instructions, and we need to cut buttonholes for Adam's Halloween costume. So I followed the instructions, and watch how easy this makes a buttonhole. Done. Buttonhole. And the next one I put in, it'll make a buttonhole exactly the same dimensions because it's all programmed. And I'll cut that buttonhole open, but I'll do another one right now, just like this, and finish the job off. Is that 6 then? Oh?
Yeah, that would be.
It would be. Uh-oh. Where's my thread?
That would be 6.
Oh, I cut it too short. Alrighty. Stick it in where we want it. Lower the foot. Because all the dimensions are now programmed in, let's just push the pedal. Sit back and have a coffee, talk to people on the telephone. And in 30 seconds, or maybe a minute, Bob's your uncle. Hey, what do you think, Adam?
That's awesome.
Yeah, I love that. That's straight up. That's great. I really like that one. So Jill set me up. She had to thread the whole thing because I couldn't remember how to do it. But she couldn't figure out the buttonholes thing because there's so many instructions. But when we got through the instructions, it turns out it's actually really efficient. If you're going to make a whole bunch of buttonholes, it just makes such short work of it, and it duplicates it. When you make the perfect buttonhole, this will come along and continue making perfect copies of that buttonhole. So there you go, Adam. We are done. Thanks, Grandma Murphy.